guys, Bill here. Welcome back to my channel. Just want to do something really quick and easy. Just kind of trying to think of something fun desserts. You know, I think that when I think of dessert, I always think of these complicated things, you know. When in fact, you know, if I'm just sitting at home, I'm just going to take a scoop of ice cream, put it in a bowl, and that's dessert, right? I don't even have to be fancy. But I put some thoughts together, and I don't know, something I probably saw somewhere made me think of it. Maybe it's a restaurant or something. So this is a really simple espresso parfait. So the first thing I did was I made some espresso this morning. I want a room temperature, so it's right here, room temperature. And I scooped up some ice cream and wrapped them back in saran wrap and threw them in the freezer so they're nice and hard. And I'm going quick because I don't want them to melt all over the place. So all we're going to do, I didn't really have any great parfait things, but I thought these old coffee cups were kind of cool, and they're clear glass, so I think the results will be good. So you know those cookies you get at Christmas time in the tin? I actually found this package of the mini ones. Doesn't matter what you use, but it was just a little bag full. And I just want to crumble, you know, probably 2 full-size cookies or about 5 or 6 of these. Just enough to really cover the bottom. And I'm just breaking them into pieces, not like destroying them, because the coffee or the espresso is going to do the rest for me. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, because we got to have our whole flavor profile here, is I have some canned cherries. Anything will work. Just something we want them kind of sweet. So we're going to put 8, 10, 12 of these little cherries in the on top of the cookies, right? And if you're using like this, which was pie filling because I couldn't find anything else, I just kind of try to separate out the, you know, the pectin, the sauce from it, so it's just the cherries. So now it's time. I'm going to take my ice cream, and I don't have a great ice cream scoop, so maybe I'll think about that in the near future. I just want to boom. You see it already started to melt from being on the counter. So I'm going to put those in there. So that's kind of cool so far, right? So how do we finish this off? Well, I have my little microplane. I got some chocolate. I just want to get a little of this on the ice cream. And I put a piece of wax paper underneath to catch them. And just kind of And so we're getting some chocolate on the ice cream and on the cherries. Looks pretty good to me. And this is like dark chocolate. This is like that 86% cocoa. And just anything that missed, look at that, just goes right in. So all I'm going to do now is, so this is about 4 ounces of espresso because we don't want to drown it. We just want a little bit in the cookies. So I'm just going to run it around the edge here. This is some really toasty espresso. It'll wake you up. And you can see it's already starting to soak into the cookies. So that's all I want. So the vessel's not perfect. It's just kind of pretty. but this is something that'll taste really, really good. Your friends will be like, oh wow, you must have spent all day, and you can do it right before serving. You know, just the only thing I would do ahead of time is scooping up the ice cream, and I like the idea of wrapping it up. If you don't want to do that, that's fine. You could do it live. Just get all your stuff ready to rock and roll and get her done. So this is another one of those trying to make something simple and really cool. You might not want to give this to your kids before going to bed because that's some pretty stout espresso. So go ahead and you know, just try something cool and new. And I mean, there's still some in the bottom, so I didn't even use 2 ounces in each one of these. So anyway, I want you, like always, keep up the good work. I want you to subscribe, notification bell gets ding ding ding, and add some comments and try something like this. It's pretty simple to throw together, and I think you're going to enjoy it. So I'm going to enjoy one of these right now. See you later.